The FixMyCar Awards are taking place here at Silverstone in just a few hours' time. In fact, in the wing just over there. They'll be honouring some of the best garages in the country across multiple categories. For now, however, the track has been given over to the Formula 4 teams. But tonight, there'll be a different kind of noise emanating around Silverstone.
Oh, this FixMyCar Awards is my second awards that I've done. The first awards was my first time in the business, and to be here a year and a bit on and get to know the garages as well, it's been absolutely amazing to share with them the awards that they've won, the celebrating all the achievements that they've had throughout the year, and it's been such a special energy this evening. It's been a real pleasure to share it all with them. I've loved it. These businesses, a lot of them we've got groups here as well, but a lot of them are independent garages and they're doing this on their own. So to have somebody like ourselves who represent a garage network across the whole country to single out some of these independent garages and say, well done, it means the world to them. And it gives them that motivation and it gives them that encouragement to keep going, because they share stories while they're here and they talk about the difficulties that they have, and it gives them that inspiration just to keep pushing that bit harder for the next year and the next year and the next year. And they find it one of the most important parts of their year is coming here and sharing this experience and talking to each other. As we go away from combustion engines and into EVs, the investment that they have to put in to be able to train, to get the equipment, the space, to be able to service EV cars is substantial. So if we can give them that steady flow of income through our network, that really helps them to feel safe in those investments, to be able to move forward with how the automotive industry is moving forward.
And the winner is.
And the winner is.
And the winner is. And the winner. And the winner is. And the winner is. And the winner is.
And the winner is.
The winner is.
The Peter James Motor Group.
T&N Autos Limited. Duffy's Motors. Niche Motor Sales Limited. H&R Motors.
Town Garage.
Quantum Automotive.
Mobile Mechanics and Tyres.
Marvellous Cars Mobile Mechanics.
Mobile Mechanics and Tyres.
22 Motors.
Mobile Mechanics and Tyres. This is the only award tonight that was chosen in-house at FixMyCar by FixMyCar's Garage Networks team. As mentioned, the team that Liam worked on. The garage was chosen for their dedication, determination, success, and overall business esteem. And before we announce the winner, I would like you all to join me and Harry in just the biggest round of applause for the legacy of our friend Liam.
The winner is. Duffy's Motors.
Do you know what? It's a massive compliment for us actually, because there's only 3 of us at the moment, which is really well to have won that for the whole country. It's amazing. Yeah, I talk about the tenacity and the hard work, and obviously winning the award just makes it all more amazing.
Amazing.
This has surpassed anything we could have ever expected.
Literally, to be honest with you, this is like a gobsmack.
Yeah. And it's an honour, quite frankly. Yeah.
The guys are amazing. Everything's amazing.
Everyone. It's ridiculous.
Literally, it's worked out.
And that's it for the Fix My Car Awards 2025. Some fantastic garages winning at the event here at Silverstone. Already looking forward to 2026.